Ito yung butas ito. Pagka, ano nyo, there is an opening there.
Nag-record na.
Hiatus semilunaris, you have 3 openings. Or actually, sige na nga, 3 openings. 2 dun sa infundibulum, near the infundibulum, frontal and anterior ethmoids. In this area of the inferior part of the hiatus semilunaris would be the drainage for the maxillary. So, tatlo na. 1, 2, and 3. Where is the other one? The fourth one, it's located here in the bulla. But still part of the middle meatus. The middle meatus was cut. But actually, it covers this area. So, you have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 for the superior meatus. And that would be your posterior ethmoid. And 1 for inferior. And that would be your nasolacrimal duct. And 1 for sphenoethmoidal recess, the sphenoid. Nose. Hindi na makita yung septum na. The septum cannot be discerned here. But this will be your area of vestibule. Supposed to be, this is still covered by skin. Coming from outside, it will move towards the internal side. And still skin and with hairs called vibrissae. And then this one would be mucosal already. Galing, no? The Chihuahua. This alone can humidify and warm the air. No? Galing. That's the nose alone will suggest that there is a supreme creator.
Very true.
So, what have you learned from the nose? That there is a supreme creator.
Ano yung vestibule to?
Vestibule is the internal part of the nose that is still covered by skin and with hairs.
Pero different yung vibrissae, no?
Yung vibrissae is the hair. If the hair is located here, it's called vibrissae. Pag dito, ano? Hindi, dito.
Extra.
Hindi.
Dapat gupitin.
Bigote. If it's here,
Goatee.
sa balbas. Eh, dito, it's here.
Goatee.
Ha?
Goatee.
Tsaka.
Ah!